had this bike for a year, and she's been very good to me. I remember when I had the 500, my first bike, and then I got on the 650, and of course I was scared. The 500 was like a bear, like a teddy bear, just cozy and a little bit soft, and just, yeah, it was a great bike. And then getting on this felt more like being on a, I don't know, a Cheetah. It has that super sport DNA that we all love, and that inline 4. It might not be a real super sport, but I think it has the right vibes. Okay, that is number 1, and then we go number 2, shampoo with the brush. And it smells good. I love when my bike smells good. I want it to smell like perfume every day. The bike shampoo that I have at home sort of smells like coconut. I really like that. A coconut bike. Maybe my next bike I will make a coconut skin for it. Like a hairy wooden. And then it just smells like coconut. If you think I'm not very thorough, then I guess not, but the bike just gets dirty so quickly that I don't think it's worth it to sort of make it super clean. I actually thought I was gonna get a new bike this year, but I am not. Of course, that's both due to economical reasons and you know, I just don't feel ready for the 600RR. I probably am ready, but I feel like this bike can still give me so much for one more year, and then the next year I can get the RR. I hesitated too long this year, and turns out they got very few of those 600 bikes in Europe this year. I spoke to the dealer about it. So basically next year I have to be very quick so I can get one. But I also want the MT-09, you know. And the MT-09 was just fun. It was just pure fun. And it's not the most elegant bike, but man, I had such a good time on it. That torque and that playfulness. Okay. That playfulness that this kind of bike just doesn't have. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Alright guys, thanks a lot for watching this video, and I'll catch you in the next one. Let's see about those flowers though.
Now I'm thinking about this.
Look at this boy.
And this is very important to understand, right? We talked about Vasana. Any thought that you give attention to will grow. Per thought.